Hey, day number 2 of the new year, 2022. Little glimpse of sunshine, and it was sunny on the way here. I was nearly tempted to put the sunglasses on, but I never. I was too lazy, and I didn't think the sun would stay out for long. But up there we have blue sky. Blue sky's good. Yeah. So sorry. Today first job is. Oh my god, the welding rod didn't get. Well, look at all that I waited about for. Oh dear, not very environmentally friendly. Yeah, so first job we need to fit this bloody thing. Got a 10mm bolt for now, we'll have to make a bolt at some point. Main priority today is to empty all the crap out of the car and find a hole to put wire through so I can just get it onto the tow bar under there, get a cable tied up and get a bit of plastic trim back on. And then we can wire up the relay. So gonna empty crap out and see where the thingy grommet is. That's the word, grommet. Where is it, Wallace? Don't know. Whoa, look what I found! Secret storage! Oh wow! Ooh, that in there, peeps. Secret storage. Yeah, so that bit there comes out and you get an extra bit of boot space. Take that bit out. Extra boot space. Woohoo! So yeah, take this bit out now and then looks like get that carpet bit out and probably pull this out and see if we can find somewhere to put a grommet in. Let's get on. Good news is, well, not good news, I really hurt my fingers. I took the plastic off from here, and unfortunately it lifts up and there's little clips going here, and unfortunately my finger was here when I was pulling and my nail went right behind there. I nearly brought a tear to my eye. Yeah, anyway, importantly, down in there, probably can't quite see it, but down in there is a little grommet, so just have a quick look and see if there's one on this side. Only because under here my electrics are going to go on this side. So, but you know, big access hole to get to, feed wires along, blob 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 into here. Job is a dream. So yeah, just literally wang a hole through there. Ooh, there's a little bit of space in there. I don't think you can see too well really. Let me go and get my torch. Right, so got my torch. There you can see there is the little grommet thing. Square in the middle, just put a hole in that with drill or something, and we push the wire through, and then we get the bottom cable tied up and bolted on, and then it's plain sailing. Yeah, we have hole. See, hole, push wire through hole. Woo, drop them. Use 8mm drill bit for that. Easy peasy. Got a slap problem. Because originally that was on that side, but on that side it don't quite work. So what we need to do is undo them 3 bolts and 3 nuts, and we'll spin it round. Alrighty. So heavy duty washers to clamp the side rail plate to the chassis rail. Drill the 3mm pilot hole, put all 4 in the vise together. I'm lazy, so we'll get drilling them out. And there we are, sports fans. 1 10mm hole through 4 pieces of 3mm metal. I'm ready to install. And there we are. So yeah, them two didn't go a bit square, but they have got lots of oil on, so a little bit of dust on there, and they'll be as if they're painted. Didn't need to do that one because that's got a small hole. These got the slots in, which is the only reason I've done that. And because we've got the bolt on the back here, as you can see, them two, and up there's two more as well, which you can't see. That gives the back end strength, and we've done the same on this side, but this side they've gone a lot better. The washers have gone better. Oh gosh, you see, there's the washers. One thing. Back one's on there. Only 3 bolts on this side, which some of them they say they just fit on them bolts there, like 3 8mm bolts one side, 4 the other. Not a big fan of that. Car underneath is really tidy. What I'm going to do now is put the plastic shield back on under here and on this side, and then it will be like I've never been there, which would be fantastic. Just starting to rain again now, which isn't ideal. Had to do a little bit of cutting here, and it's not ideal. It needs a little bit more rougher there, I think, just to do that, which isn't a problem. That'll probably wear itself in the time. And then I'll put the clips back in here. They almost go, but not quite. I do need to take a bit more off of there when I get a bit more time. But I have clipped this back on now, and you can get your hands in to do it, but for what it's going to take at the moment, I don't really want to get too wet. I mean, it's on. I can wire it up and put my bike on the back, you know. Put my bike on the back. It does, to be fair, need to. Oh, I don't know, you know. I don't know. It looks tidy. Looks tidy. I mean, it doesn't look like it's not meant to be there, does it? That's the big thing. It doesn't look which is what I didn't want it to do. So I'm going to pop the plastic on now, and we'll be done. Excuse the mucky pup marks. But yeah, there we are, boys and girls. You wouldn't even know I've been there, would you? Not a bad job at all. Just spent 10 minutes looking for them, and they're part of the bloody molding. Idiot. But yeah, tidy job. Happy with that. Get rid of these khaki wheels next. Only because the tyres, I mean, like, they're better than what was on it. I mean, it's a bit wet. We have a little puddle. A bit wet. A bit of rust on them, and that's only from the rain shower that we had. But these are meant to be good, yeah. Oh, M&S. And this is meant to be winter ice something. Hankook, meant to be a good tyre. I don't know if the tyres aren't as good as they're meant to be. I really don't know if the tyres aren't as good as they're meant to be. But in the wet, and this is what I don't like about modern cars, they have traction control. In the wet, the back end slides, which is really fun, don't get me wrong. And then the car goes, oh, you're gonna crash. No, I'm not gonna crash. I'm going to slide, I'm going to drift, I'm going to glide into the straight and accelerate. But no, the car says, Lisa, you have to be good. I'm not going to let you do that because I think you're going to crash. And it puts brakes on. And it stops the power. So the throttle does nothing. And you come to an abrupt sideways halt. And I don't like it. I really don't like it. If somebody knows how to, like, turn all that crap off on a Mk7 Golf slow motion edition, because it is slow motion because it's diesel, but it's really economical and I do like that. If anyone knows how you turn all that crap off, because I don't want it personally. I want to drive a car that I'm in control of, not that a computer goes, I think you're gonna crash. No, not for me, not for me. So Mk7 Golf peeps, leave a thing in the comment section. There'll be a comment in the comment section, because my brain's really not working, and I'll give it a go. So gonna be loads more videos coming up. Just want to say thanks very much for watching. If you want to see more good videos, well, don't know whether they're good, somebody might think they're good. It's like a bit of fun in it. But yeah, if you want to see more videos, there's going to be some stuff coming up with a Fortum Power Major. We have trailer brakes going on that. We have the seat that's done and in, so it's got a grandma suspension seat in it. New foot pedals, not new like, but there's a new foot pedal linkage, foot throttle on it. Going to be a turbo going on, so if you want to see a turbo, give us a like and a thumbs up. We'll see what we can do to get the turbo on it. Got design for the elect manifold going on as well, which is great stuff. And yeah, there's going to be quite a lot going on, hopefully, so just need to get the bum in gear, get some editing done. People say they like editing. I think it's boring, but I mean, playing with toys is what it's all about. Playing with toys. I mean, editing. Somebody wants to do editing for me, hit me up, baby. I mean, take that off my hands. That is going to be better when I get better editing software, because we need to be positive, don't we? We need to be positive. Trying to do it with what you get on Microsoft applications, their basic video editor thing is it's not ideal. So I'm going to invest in good software. If anybody knows any good software to invest in, like I say, leave it in the comment section. I'll have a look at that and see what we can do. But yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have fun.